I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, I am going to discuss string methods and the operators related to the string. So the important string method, one of the most important string method is string reverse. I have one string. I would like to reverse that particular string. How it is possible? Yes, of course, we can go for like a slicing method. So this is one of the most popular method to reverse the string. So here I'm going to explain the string reverse by using the slicing method. Let us consider the name of the string is GEEKS Okay, this is one of the string. You know that string is represented by either single inverted comma, double inverted comma, or triple inverted comma. Now what I will do is I'll be applying the string slicing method. So the name of the string is, now I stored the string into a variable called GFG. That is a variable. So what I will do is GFG. Then you can open the square bracket. Then use double colon number one, colon number two, then put -1. Then close the square bracket, then parenthesis. This is a simple syntax. Then what will happen? Yes, the result is it will be reversed. Okay, like that you can try, for example, A is equal to hello. A is equal to hello. Then if I go for like A, then what I will do? I'll open one square bracket, then I'll be putting double colon. Then I'm writing like a -1. So if you want to print the result means, get the result means I can use print, then like this. I'll be getting the result. Hope you understood. So this is called a string slicing method, which is most popular and many cases it is useful. Now we are going to discuss about string length. How do we measure the length of the string? The same thing you can work out in any of the compiler that you can practice. To get the length of the string, we'll be using len function. It is a built-in function which is available in the Python library. Len you can use. Okay, it's a function. We have hello world. Then if I use like a len a, then what I will get? I'll be getting the number, length I'll be getting. Whenever you are computing the length, even the special characters also included. So this is the way how to calculate the string length. Please practice the same thing in your any one of your compiler. Okay. Here you can observe, I have typed the program. So I'll be applying len. Okay. Now let me run the program. Yes, I got like the length. Length is equal to 25. So I think it's clear to everybody. As you can observe, we are going to discuss the second part, that is the operator. So the string which will be having the various type of operators. The list of the operators are given below. Plus operator, star operator, then this like a square bracket, colon with a square bracket, in, not in, modulo. These are the different type of operators. So like a plus operator is mainly for concatenation. The star operator is for replication, string replication. Then like a square bracket is for slicing. Then this is called a range slicer. Other one is called in. In means we can check whether any substring is present inside the main string. For example, hello. Hello. It is a string. I can check whether yellow is present inside the hello. Yellow is called a substring. Is it present inside hello? Yes. Yes or no? True or false? I'll get. Modulo, that is actually mainly used for string formatting. So these are the different type of string operators, which will be helpful for the various applications. Wherever you are dealing with the string, you should have an idea about string operators. There is a demo program for the better understanding of string operator. So we have like a str, name of the string, where is stored in the str is a variable where hello is a string which is stored into the variable str. Str1 is another variable where the string namely word which is stored into str1. So if I go for like a str star 3, then it is going to be multiplied. A hello will be multiplied thrice. If I go for like a concatenation, then hello plus world, I'll be getting hello world, correct? Then I can go for like a print str4. That particular like result will be 0, O only, right? O. That means 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, fourth one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, O element. Then I can go for like a slicing, str 2 colon 4. Then I'll be getting like this is a result. Okay, that means second. It will start from second element and delete the fourth element. Rest of the things will be printed. Then I can check in operators like W in str. Of course, is it present or not? I'll get it. So it is not present, so I'll be getting false. Similarly, another in and not in operator also same that of in operator. So I'll be getting the result as false. Similarly, like I can go for like a for string formatting. The string str percentage s, like you'll be getting like a space. You can provide the slappers modulus t or modulus s, whatever it can be. So here the same thing will be printed. Look at this. Yes. Here I am providing the suitable spacing. So that's what I'll be getting like this. The name of the str. What is str? Str is nothing but hello. Please look at this. So hello will be printed here. I think it's clear to everybody. Same thing, you can practice it once and you can familiar the operators which are used in the string. So I hope the session is clear to everybody. Let me summarize what I discussed today. We discussed about the string method, okay, especially slicing and how to compute the length of the string. Thereafter, I discussed about the operators which are supported by the string. In case any queries, kindly put up in the comment box. I'm happy to answer back. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day.